During a recording session, I try to be aware of any background noises or even sounds like a grumbly tummy that might get into the recording. At random times during a variety of recordings, I detect a noise in the background that sounds like an effect from The Exorcist. The sound is one that I call the demon hum, and it can be unsettling. It's low frequency and low volume, and at times sounds like a monster leaning over my shoulder. Good thing I don't believe in haunted VO booths, or should I? And then the last one here that I've got, I call the demon hum. We'll see if I can get it high enough. I may have to enhance the audio later. Of consciousness. 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 Of consciousness and 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 of consciousness of consciousness of consciousness of consciousness. So if I was superstitious or believed I was being haunted by demons or anything, I'd be a little bit concerned. I don't know where this comes from. It could be generated internally, electronically by something. I don't know. Let me play it. Hopefully it'll come through. Or in some cases, the manipulation and alteration of consciousness. Very low there. Ration of consciousness, 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 and 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 of consciousness. Hopefully that'll come through in this recording. What it sounds like is woo, woo, woo. It doesn't happen that often. But when it happens, it's strange, and it can happen at strange points. It always happens either between a string of words. I don't think it's usually isolated to a single word. It usually has a longer duration. Again, I can't predict when it's going to happen. I don't know what causes it. When I recorded this file, I do a lot of recording late at night. There aren't any cars out. There's nothing anywhere. There's nothing running in the house. Minus 64. I've got RLX everywhere. That was engineered by RLX. They gave me the layout for that. So the room's treated and everything. But this sounds like something internal. It's definitely not coming from me. It's not a chair squeaking. It's not some sort of extraneous noise. It's not something where I've tapped or hit something. This is coming from something internal. What that could be, I have no idea. All right, so this is my collection of weird noises that I'm dealing with in my recordings, and hopefully very soon I will be at a point where I can do some actual recording. I'm getting a lot closer. So anyway, all right, I'm going to stop there. I'll stick this out there, and I'll keep researching and hopefully figure out some way to identify what this stuff is. And I don't care what it is. I don't care that it happens. I would like to know what's causing it. And if I know what causes it, can I prevent it? That's the other thing. Otherwise, I just re-record. So, all right. Enough for now.